distinguished guests.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be with you today here at the Mulomulo settlement, especially here at the school, to officially commission this new rural electrification project. I don't know if you know, but I've just come from the Voreqe settlement, where I had the privilege of opening another electrification project similar to the one here today. And yesterday I also did one in Televu North. It was great to be there. This is Singatoka this morning, and it is great to be here with all of you as I continue my tour of the Western Division and see the great progress and development that is coming your way. Earlier this month, you will have noticed I had the pleasure of spending 2 weeks overseeing the new infrastructure, projects and government services arriving in the Western Division. It was a rewarding 2 weeks, seeing the tremendous impact these advances are bringing and listening to how hardworking Fijians who were telling me how they plan to make the most of these developments. I think it is important to make it very clear, as I did with the people of the Voreqe settlement, why these developments and projects are being opened. They are hard-fought advances that our communities deserve, and they are gifts, not handouts. They are not gifts or handouts. Over the past 6 years, the Fijian economy has reached unprecedented level of success. You will have heard through the media that we've grown, we've attracted foreign investment, and we've created jobs and opportunities throughout the country. It has not been easy, but because Fijians everywhere have worked together, we have achieved great things. Every Fijian, whether in our major cities or in our rural and maritime areas, has worked for this success. Every day you worked hard for yourselves and your families, you worked hard for Fiji, and you keep us that upward trajectory towards even greater prosperity. And my government will continue to work hard, and together with you we will achieve more and greater prosperity for all Fijians in our nation. It is the duty of my government to make sure you see the full benefit of the success you've helped create. It is the duty of my government to bring developments that will make you more productive and that will give you and your children a better shot in life. This electrification project that we will commission this afternoon will do exactly that. It has been completed at a cost of just a little under $30,000, 27,286 to be exact, and will provide stable, reliable electricity to 7 families in the Mulomulo settlement. This is a big deal for these families. These families will now have access to power 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and enjoy the many advantages that electric power can bring. The children will now have the light they need to keep up with their schoolwork late into the evening. You will also have access to amenities such as refrigerators and television sets. And no longer will your homes be in the dark in the evening. They will now be brighter, safer, and more welcoming than ever before. This project, this electrification project, will also serve as a stepping stone to even greater advances down the road. Power brings technology, and technology that can bring the entire world to your doorstep through telecommunications. Technology that will keep you connected to the rest of Fiji and updated to the news and current events of the day. When you are part of the Fijian network, you can participate in our important national conversations and make your voice heard on issues of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, one of those important national conversations is about finding a new Fijian flag for Fiji. Every day, Fiji grows into a bolder, more dynamic nation than we were at our independence. We are making our own future, determining what kind of nation we will be, what kind of people we will be. And that is why I'm asking the people of Fiji to help us adopt the new flag. I love our flag, as I continuously said, and I continuously say that I've served it under it with pride as a military officer and as a Prime Minister. But while that flag took us out of the past, I would like us to have a flag that takes us into the future, to where we are going rather than where we have been. The new flag, always with our beloved Fiji blue, can stand for the kind of people we are, the kind of nation we aspire to be, and the kind of country that we will leave to these children. The deadline for new flag design submissions is rapidly approaching on February 29th. In March, we will select 5 designs to put before the people. There will, of course, be a national consultation, during which time you will be able to tell us which design you like the best. I believe we will love whichever design we choose as much as we have grown to love our current flag, because it stands for Fiji. It stands for us. The new flag will tell the world that Fiji is a modern country, a leader in the Pacific, and a country on the move. Today, our community can celebrate the opening of this new electrification project that we will commission this afternoon. And I hope all of you are planning ways you can use this project to better your lives. Use this power to remain prosperous and productive, and know that my government will keep working hard to bring more development your way. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I now have great pleasure in declaring the Mulomulo Settlement Rural Electrification Project open. And I thank you.